In this video, I'm going to show my colleagues here how to calculate dosage of oral medication. To start with, oral medication is something that you take from your mouth. For example, it can be in liquid form or it can be in solid form like tablets. It can be like Panadol elixir or in suspension liquid as well, that you can take it from your mouth. There are different types of medication, but this one I'm going to focus only on oral medication. Now, this is the formula that we are going to use, which is the strength required. This is what the doctor prescribes for the patient to take, and the strength stock is the one that you have in stock available. Okay, so this is the formula you're going to use. Now, for example, if a patient is prescribed codeine, codeine is a tablet. Now, codeine is a tablet. This is what the doctor prescribes, and it has to be only 15 milligrams and given orally. Now, and in your stock you have 30 milligrams of codeine. Now, how many tablets are you going to administer to this patient? This is what is the prescription from the doctor, and this is what you have in stock. So how you're going to work this out is using this formula. Now, first, what is the strength required? This is what you want, right? What you want divide by what you have in your stock is what you have. Now, this is what the doctor has prescribed for you to administer to the patient, which is 15 milligrams. And in your stock, maybe you're working in a hospital or any medical facility, in your stock, this is what you have. Each tablet is worth of 30 milligrams, and you need to give only 15 milligrams. Now, this is what you have, which is 30 milligrams, multiplied by the volume of stock is just 1/1. Now, what you get, 1 times 15 is 15, 2 times 15 is 30, so you get half. This is what you're going to give it to your patient, half of the tablet. Okay? Now, this is when we are giving tablets. When you have to give medication in liquid form, for example, if you have to give a mixture of, say, paracetamol or Panadine, if the doctor has prescribed for you to give a dosage of 500 ml of, for example, Panadol elixir. Now, and you have in your stock only 200 ml, and you are required to give 500 ml. Now, this is your prescription from the doctor. You're required to give the patient 500 ml. In your stock, you have 250 ml in 5 ml. This is where you're going to use your volume of the stock. Now, going back to the formula, what you have is 250. What is required is 500 ml multiplied by, this is the volume of the stock, 5 ml over 1. So this is how you're going to work out. Now 500 divided by 250 is 2. Multiply by 5, you end up with 10 ml. So this is what you are going to actually give to your patient. Okay, just to round off everything, this is the formula that we use for oral medication to administer to our patient. It can be either in tablet form or in liquid form or liquid suspensions. For example, like Panadine or penicillin mixture or paracetamol mixtures or elixir. Right? Now, and this is how we put our values into this formula and work out what we actually need to give to the patient according to the prescription and what we have in the stock available. Thank you very much. Let's listen. Did you off it? Did you off it?